Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a stock on Interactive Brokers. First, navigate to the Interactive Brokers website or open their mobile app. You will then enter your unique username and secure password into the designated fields. For enhanced security, be prepared to complete any two-factor authentication steps, such as entering a code from your phone or using a biometric scan. This ensures your account remains protected. Once logged in, ensure your account is funded. You can typically deposit funds via a bank transfer, which might take 1 to 3 business days to clear. Next, locate the search bar, usually at the top of the platform. Type in the stock's ticker symbol, for example, Apple for Apple, and press Enter. Double-check that the displayed company name and current market price match your intended investment. Now it's time to place your order. Choose your order type. A market order buys immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you are willing to pay. Then, input the exact number of shares you want to acquire, for instance, 10 shares. If using a limit order, specify your desired maximum purchase price per share. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the details of your order. Check the stock symbol, the number of shares, the order type, and the total estimated cost. Once you are confident everything is correct, click the Confirm or Submit button to send your trade to the market. You can then track its status in your Orders or Portfolio section.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.